The new upgrade to the West Virginia Division of Natural Resources electronic licensing and game check system will allow hunters and anglers to purchase licenses and check game at their convenience over the internet or at agent locations throughout the state. Once you've updated your password and information, your account homepage will show several options. You can use the electronic system to purchase a license, tag, or permit, enter a lottery drawing, or submit a game check. You can also update your profile, upload your hunter safety education certifications, see disability information, and customer groups. Users can also check their order history, manage their licenses, see field game tags, lottery hunts, and raffle tickets. If you click on the button to purchase a license, tag, or permit, you'll then be able to scroll a list of options, add them to your cart, and enter your information to purchase the product. If you run into any issues with the upgraded system, there is a box for help and support. You can also change your password there.